लेसन 1 नंबर सिस्टम क्लास 9th। अब तक आपने जितने भी नंबर सीखे हैं टिल ग्रेड 8th all comes under the category of rational numbers, and it is denoted by Q. It is said that all numbers rational and other irrational number, which I am going to tell you later on, it has been discovered by Pythagoras, and who was Greek mathematician. Here rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and we have to remember that Q cannot be 0. Q कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता, because if Q is 0 then it becomes not defined, and P and Q are integers. Okay. Further, rational numbers are divided in two forms. First is without decimal, other is with decimal. Without decimal, it means we are talking about integers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash dash, keeps on going, and we say these are integers, and integers are denoted by z. सिंबल इनके लिए z यूज़ होता है. फाइन. 0 ऑनवर्ड्स, अगर हम 0 से आगे काउंटिंग लें, 0, 1, 2, 3, वी ऑल नो it is whole numbers, and it is denoted by W. And we all know if the numbers are starting with 1, then these are natural numbers, and it is denoted by N. Now we will talk about with decimal. With decimal, अब with decimal में भी आपके दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. One is terminating and other is non-terminating. Let me discuss first terminating. Terminating decimal. It means आपका remainder 0 आ जाएगा. After a few steps, you will get remainder 0. Suppose I am dividing 5 by 2. My answer is 2.5. So, the other form is non-terminating and repeating decimal. It means when I am dividing 1 by 3, my answer is 0.3333 आता ही रहेगा, जो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. That's why it is called non-terminating. और decimal के बाद वाली digit repeat होती रहती है. That's why it is called repeating decimal. So rational number comes under the category of real numbers, and it is denoted by capital R. Real numbers are divided in two parts, rational and irrational. Numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by R. R means real number. This is my subtraction sign. And then Q. मतलब रियल नंबर में से आप रैशनल नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे. ऑब्वियसली वी आर लेफ्ट विथ ओनली irrational numbers. Now here it is always in the form of with decimal. With decimal होगा, it means non-terminating, and non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating decimal. It means 2.35789. This is example of irrational number. If I am taking root 2, तो आप कहोगे root 2 के साथ decimal नहीं है. But if I am finding a square root of 2, its actual value is 1.41424135. वही है कि कभी इसका रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो नहीं आएगा और डेसिमल के बाद वाली टर्म्स कभी रिपीट नहीं होगी. इफ़ आई एम टेकिंग रूट 3 then it is 1.73. And always remember this, that pi is an irrational number. But if I am talking about 22/7, it comes under the category of rational number. Because when I am dividing 22 by 7, then it is 3.14257. After that, it will start repeating. और अगर repeat हो रही है, it means it is rational number. So, all integers you can say they are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational number, but you cannot say all real numbers are irrational numbers. Because real numbers are divided in two parts, rational and irrational. From bottom to top, you can say all whole number, all natural numbers are real. But I cannot say all real numbers are rational numbers. Thank you.